In this video, I'll show you how to block a domain in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. When you're done, you go to the search bar where it says search mail. You're going to come here to show search options and you're going to click here. And here, you're going to add the domain that you want to block. Let's say this is the domain you want to block. It says @life.com. You're going to put in the domain here and you're going to click on create filter. Once you click on create filter, you're going to choose the option that says delete it. You can also decide to avoid spam by clicking never send it to spam. And you can also choose to decide to create a label, create a new label for it that says blocked so you can identify the blocked mails. But once you delete it, it should be deleted and go to the deleted folder. And you click on create filter. Once that's created, any email that's sent with that domain is going to be deleted automatically, and that's how you block a domain in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.